I recently went on a trip to the Pacific Northwest, and instead of printing out photos and hanging them all over my house, I decided to just paint one giant 11 by 15 and hang it in one frame. I'll show you how I divided the paper with these clean edges. Each one is 2 to 3 inches. The sea lion caves of the Oregon coast. A herd of elk in the middle of the state. And sea cliffs along the coast. I use a very specific type of tape to get these sorts of clean edges. And I found this tape by trial and error. I've tried many tapes on watercolor paper, and this is the only one that not only holds a watertight edge, but also does not rip the paper when I am pulling it off for the final reveal. This tape is called freezer tape, and I've added a link in the information below. Thanks for joining me.